Welcome back to our channel. Let's start our journey with the two most visited places near Melbourne, Australia. First, we'll take you through the Great Ocean Road, and this is Australia's most famous coastal journey. The Great Ocean Road is an Australian National Heritage listed 243 km stretch of road along the southeastern coast of Australia between the Victorian city of Torquay and Allensford. The coastline from Lorne to Kenneth River offers among the world's most dramatic cliff hinterland and Bar Strait seascape framed only by cliffs. This is Australia's War Memorial. The Memorial Arch is a popular destination to stop as it is the start of the Great Ocean Road. Was built as a memorial to Victoria's First World War servicemen and women as a reminder of their war service and sacrifice. Between 1919 and 1932, more than 3,000 returned servicemen involved in the construction of the road under very difficult living and working conditions. Many take the opportunity to stop at the designated car park to take a photo with the arch and the statue. This statue is the replica of their sacrifice and service. The memorial arch is made out of wood with the sides being made out of stone and cement for support. The first arch that was erected was approximately 50 tons. Grant's Picnic Ground is a hub for nature lovers. An abundance of native animal and birds, including colorful parrots, cuckoos, lush fern trees. Including the world's tallest flowering tree. There are numerous walks and hikes which attract many visitors throughout the year. Cape Otway Lighthouse is the oldest working lighthouse on mainland Australia and considered the most significant one. This lighthouse was built in 1848 and known as the Beacon of Hope. Is a must-see attraction which stands on the shipwreck coast. Enjoy awesome view of the stunning coastline. These leading attractions on the Great Ocean Road is a must for all visitors. The 12 Apostles are a must-see attraction when you visit Victoria. The 12 Apostles were created as a result of constant erosion of mainland limestone cliff by the water waves and winds of Southern Ocean. Earlier collection of limestone stacked 45 meters high, but due to erosion by wave, they have reduced to 8 stacks now. London Arch, formerly known as the London Bridge, until part of the structure collapsed. Puffing Billy is Australia's premium preserve steam railway and world oldest surviving steam locomotive, constructed in 1813-1814. Puffing Billy takes you through the magnificent Dandenong Range. This journey is a wonderful opportunity to relax and breathe in the fresh air while the train makes its way through the lush fern and dense rainforest. Ride the Puffing Billy for memorable journey on Australia's most notable 2 feet 6 inch narrow gauge heritage railway. We boarded the train from Belgrave station and enjoyed the spectacular journey. Puffing Billy Railway is now a major tourist attraction thanks to the tireless effort of more than 600 dedicated volunteers. Melbourne City is a cosmopolitan city. The coastal capital of Victoria offers visitors lots of surprise. We will love its atmosphere and will also enjoy its vibrant lifestyle and attractive skyscrapers. We will visit again the vibrant city to cover the entire life and its remaining attraction. We shall take you through the city of Melbourne in a separate episode, since it has a lot to talk and show. Melbourne, the city of dreams.